If you are fear to speak, then don't dare to say that you work for Tibrasa. If you fear to speak, don't dare to say that you're working for the welfare of Tibrasa. Suzako. Judi no asal sekiriza mo, kano asal sekiriza mo, kok sanan bagai gerta kaidi ze Tibrasa ni bagai rights ni bagai kok sawane. Shame haisi. Nung asal no ni political party crack ka, ni political party preach ni jokonses official party ka. Roman script no tangi implementation kanya bagai ekta kok saman ino kanaya. Asal no ni political party crack ka, tripartite accord implementation kanya bagai tangi ni political party kok ti saya. Agor tola haizago broad daylight o sini bukuk juk chong. Wrong place hombre klaizak tong, rape klaizak tong. Tangi ni asal powerful political party kok thaise ko nati sei mania. Akhir tamo nongi matlab, nongi uddesho tamo. Leader of oppositions no, kesak ni hoite tong haisi. One script ni bagai kok samani ek barpan khnaya ko. Right from the beginning haisi. Norok saimani ada 99% ti prasarok ni dima Roman script ne. Ay copy saya apa no? Norok sampai ada 125th Amendment Bill di perasaan bagai nanggu additional strength hanya ni bagai tangi copy saya. Norok sampai ada kebangma illegal babe tahu additional land jenazah di tomani tangi copy saya. Konda sora hai jaga rogo, emabili hai constituency rogo kebangma jaga illegal babe land sekja di tong. Sini kebangma jaga wo bumung fil jaga di tong. Ini istri hati hai jaga no radi bazar khai rikha. Foko tisano ini duma sora hai khai sipka. Thali tisano ini koda sora khai rikha. Hai blok phangno ini chalita bari khai rikha. Hai pun kotono ini borokothal ni sai sip jo bahis. Hai sukhola na tini ambasa ni slai sip kahis. Mutai chodo devta ni bum tini slai sip kahis. But leaders, why are you silent? Tangai no bukuk muthuk ja khaisi. 2019 no shoot klaizak haisi shoot klaizak khaklabo citizenship amendment bill no te kok samani bagai that citizenship amendment act thanga. I didn't see any of the BJP leaders came forward to speak. I haven't seen any CPM political party leader who came forward to speak for Tibrasa's right. Illegal immigrants lakho paitong bairani bo BJP leaders kok saka bo CPM leaders kok saka bo Congress leaders kok saka Kubuni jati rokto serengdi, Mizoram rokto serengdi haisi. Ini Northeast political party, one Northeast nation formation kelai tomo. Abeki kubuni to farangno right senar bagi da, buzi ada naro. Bubak raki warrior sok thane haisi. Akaka road block hai pana sung jobab hai haisi. One script ni bagai, the student federation by PSF dog by sung khansa kai sungla block pan hai haisi. Land rights ni bagai. Norok chup khai ma tong na semono ok sare ge norok challenge khayo hai sa honorable former MP sa honorable current minister sa honorable general secretary sa a challenge sare ge norok land rights ni bagi norok ki kok sarak nai political rights ni bagi norok ki kok sarak nai illegal immigrants ni bagi norok ki kok sarak nai Roman script ni bagi norok ki kok sarak nai citizenship amendment act ni bagi norok ki kok sarak nai sarak gya Nongi party no homataria panria Tibrasan me kok sanani. Suruh vote teh Tibrasani nor nos handrenai itu Tibrasani rights ni mereka kok sanani nor of panria. But not an issue. We as a promote a political party the warrior of Kupakra, yes, we'll go and fight cost of our people for the rights of our people. Yes, we'll go and fight. So kok ti sana